अगर आपको लगता है इंग्लिश बोलना इम्पॉसिबल है, then this video is for you because I also started from zero. So everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. So today I want to share with you my English learning journey. So my journey began 1 year ago. Yes, friend, it's been 1 year that I have been learning English. I started in June 2025, so almost it's been 1 year, right? So when I started, I didn't know anything about English. Even I didn't know full sentences in English. So I learned English from very basics. So yeah, when I started, I did listening for 1 month, and I didn't do any other practice. So I did only listen. I kept listening. I mean, videos and podcast and cartoon videos. So I listened a lot. And when I started, I had full of energy. I was enthusiastic to learn this language. And after some time, I was losing my energy, and I stopped learning English. And because of I mean, I didn't have any energy to learn this language. And one more important thing, that I made a burden. That's the most reason that I stopped learning English. So it happens with everyone that when we do something, so initially we enjoy, and we have energy towards anything, towards any uh, dreams. But after some time we lose our energy and we stop doing that. And I still remember that when I stopped learning English, so I stopped for long. I stopped learning English for 6 months. Then one day I realized, and I started again my journey. That's why I am speaking English. And I decided to not make these mistakes again. Then I started listening, I started learning daily use sentences, I read, and gradually I learned grammar. And so that's how I overcome from that stage to this stage. So if you are beginner, and you think that I can't learn English, so this is your biggest mistake. You If I can speak, so you can definitely speak. By practicing and following consistency, I am able to speak this language. And when I was a beginner, I kept thinking about English. And when someone when someone spoke in our mother tongue, so I thought, how will I say this in English? These words in English. So you I would say I immersed myself totally into English. So that's how I learned it. And friends, I want to say something. We learners, we start our journey, and after 1 month, we think I'm not able to speak this language. So, giving 1 month, how can you speak this language? When I still remember, when I started my journey, after 1 month, I, I didn't speak. I couldn't speak, and after 3 4 months, I started speaking slowly. So, how can you imagine that after 1 month you can speak English fluently? It takes time. I gave my time and I had patience. That's why I'm speaking this language. So be patient, and do practice every day. Then you will be able to speak this language, and one day you will speak fluently. So that was my journey. And I didn't enjoy my journey because of I made a burden. So please enjoy your journey, because it will not come again. And now I enjoy. I had one another problem, and that was nervousness while speaking and fear. So gradually, slowly, I overcome this problem, and I, after making videos, after facing camera, I built my confidence. So yeah, then I started speaking, and I'm fluent. I'm not fluent, I'm not perfect, but yes, I can convey my thought in English. So my that's how I learned English, and this was my journey. So keep practicing, keep learning English. You will be able to speak English fluently one day.